Oh, fancy meeting you here in our meteorology segment. Congratulations on realizing our channel exists. This video was originally streamed live to twitch.tv/smAsho, the main streaming source of the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. The first thing we're looking at here in terms of meteorology, and we've got some interesting stories to cover indeed, including some horrific floods forecasted for Northern California. This is the water vapor map for the Pacific Ocean, the Earth's largest body of water. This is the location of more of Earth's surface heat latency than any other portion of the planet, folks. Yeah, more of Earth's heat lies in the Pacific Ocean than any place else on the planet. It's the largest body of water on planet Earth. Water has a very, very high latency of heat, unlike air, which means you can measure the atmosphere all day and not know jack about the climate. You need to know the temperature of ocean water at 3 meters and 30 meters and 300 meters and 1,000 meters. Otherwise, your climate data is nonsense. Complete, total, 100% and utter nonsense. Next, looking at the jet streams, it's the 250 hectopascal winds of the western portion of the planet. Look at the chaos in the jet stream over North America. It is all over the place. It's blowing backwards over parts of northern Canada. We've got a cyclone, anticyclone. Here's an anticyclone with a cyclone right below it. That's a counterclockwise rotation, and there's a clockwise rotation. So quite turbulent jet streams in the west. Here are the surface winds. And you can see very strong winds there in the North Atlantic, the east coast of Greenland, and the area south of Iceland, and so on. The North Atlantic. Also a cyclonic system here off the southwest coast of Mexico. Let's rotate around. Here are the surface winds of the eastern world. Some strong winds in the North Pacific Ocean, once again. Continuing on to the jet streams. There you have the jet streams of the east, quite a bit more coherent than they are in the western portion of the planet, especially the west northern hemisphere portion. Here's the full northern hemisphere jet stream imagery. And you can see how chaotic it indeed is over places like North America. Next, we're on weather.gov here, and these flood warnings are serious, folks. There are also high wind warnings in places like Utah, Nevada, southern Oregon. If your county's lit up, just click your county. Hard freeze warnings and frost advisories here in the north central part of the U.S. And the flooding in California is going to be pretty horrific. There's also snow in the forecast. Yeah, several feet of snow, like 3 feet. So you're not only going to see flooding, you're going to see wet snow there. And that is not a good scenario for the California power grids. That is going to be an ongoing disaster. Also heavy snows forecasted in Montana and Colorado and Utah and Nevada and Idaho and Washington and Oregon. And some more in Wyoming, as if they didn't have enough rain there yet. So yeah, that's the snow forecast. And that's only a 72-hour forecast there, folks. So this is going to be pretty accurate. A 3-day forecast is not nonsense. I know there's a lot of nonsense on YouTube and probably on BitChute too. So here's the precipitation, the total precipitation forecast here. And we're talking about over a foot of rain here in some portions of northeastern California. Certainly getting to about 10 inches of rain there in the forecast. Let's hope that changes, although that is all too likely at the moment. Again, it's only a 72-hour forecast from Tropical Tidbits. That's a GFS forecast. These are both GFS forecasts, by the way. Here's a recap. There's the snow. And there is the total precipitation. Let's take a look at lightning over the past 10 hours. Lots of lightning here off the east coast of the U.S. and a little bit in Kansas moving into Missouri. Here's the current real-time lightning map from Blitzertung-powered lightningmaps.org. We do indeed have some terrestrial lightning here south of Topeka and west of Springfield. Hey, Joplin, you're surrounded by thunder. Hey, Springfield, you're in the crosshairs. There's thunder rolling in. Springfield, Missouri. Next, looking at pressure maps. And we're going to advance this into tomorrow. This is the European forecast for pressure at 12 noon Eastern time tomorrow. You can see this system here, this extremely powerful low pressure here off of the coast of Washington is driving this system. I don't know if that helps or not, but anyway, that's the pressure forecast, the European model pressure forecast for 12 noon Eastern Daylight Time tomorrow on Sunday, October 24th. Once again, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. It is just a fantastic live streaming platform. We'll be back streaming there live today at some point, so make sure you follow us over there. You'll know when we go live this way, and when the craziest things happen when it comes to space weather and indeed Earth weather, we typically do it via live Twitch streams. Thanks everybody who follows over there. Install the app. It'll alert you when we go live. It's fantastic. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers also. If you're only subscribed on BitChute, make sure you subscribe over on YouTube. You're missing like 90% of the content. Hey, YouTube types, thanks. Thanks for tolerating the nonsensical censorship, fraud, misinformation, disinformation, deathware, nonsense on the platform. Thanks for tolerating all of the people who are paid millions of dollars per year to lie to you. We're not. We're paid just this side of nothing, so please help us out. Press like, press subscribe, press share. Join the Smash Team, smashomash.com/Smash Team. We've replaced Patreon with something vastly superior. Here's a sneak peek of what we put up there. That's about all you're going to get because we've got people that pay for the service, so we can't just show it to people on the internet. You've got to become a bronze or a silver or a gold paid up annual member. Next, looking at the U.S. Doppler Radar Map. As the system continues to stagnate around Anchorage, yes, southern Alaska. Getting quite a bit of precipitation here over the past couple of days. Here's the lower 48. Precipitation already moving into California. And some heavy weather there in Nevada, Utah, Montana. And also around Joplin. Is it snowing in Ohio and western Pennsylvania? That looks like snow to me. There could be some snow falling. In any case, here's the cloud layer. Our 3.9 nanometer radiation map showing you clouds and fog at nighttime. Here's the water vapor map. And again, there are multiple jet stream interactions here. Some convective zones and all kinds of funky stuff going on with the jet stream over the U.S. at the moment. Once again, there's the U.S. Doppler radar. There's the cloud layer. And there's the water vapor map. Hopefully that helped. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing our channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted. Name it news.